Good morning, children. Let us continue our lesson, Unit 1.4, The King's Choice. In the last class, we learned, according to the idea of the vulture, the Lion King and other two courtiers, the fox and the leopard, started off on the camel hunt. Okay, easily they reached the edge of the desert, but when they enter into the desert, the day became very hot. The rays of the sun came down like a fire hot rays. Now, let us come to page number 12. Let us read the part first. High up in the cooler air, the vulture flew. Hurry along, he called. The camel is not far off. But the lion could not hurry any more. The hot sand had burned his paws. He could not go further. Stop, he shouted to the others. Let us go back to the forest. I do not care to try camel meat. The Lion King's advisers were frightened. The forest was far behind them, and they did not know how to get the lion back home. The leopard wanted to run away. The vulture wanted to watch and wait and eat the lion later on. But the clever fox thought of a plan. Off into the desert he ran, saying, I will bring some help. Now, children, what happened over here? The vulture flew in the cooler air and said to the other animals, hurry up, the camel is not far off. The vulture encouraged them. But children, what happened? The lion was not able to walk anymore because the hot sand had burned his paws. Paws means the bottom part of the feet of animals like lion, leopard, cat, etc. He was not able to walk further. The lion became very angry now. Because why he was angry? One is the heat and continuous walking, expecting the camel somewhere, and their expectation became very more, but till they did not found the camel. All this irritated the king. Now, children, what happened over here? The lion shouted angrily, Stop! Let us go back to the forest. I don't care to try camel's meat. Now the lion's advisers were frightened. Who were the advisers? Children? Yes, the fox, the leopard, and the vulture. Why they frightened? Because the forest was far behind them, and they could not know how to get the lion back into the forest. The leopard actually wanted to run away from there. What about the vulture? The vulture watch and wait and eat the lion later. So children, what did the vulture thought? If they continue their journey back or fro because of hot, the lion will collapse after some time. Then I can eat him later. This was the idea of the vulture. But the clever and cunning fox thought a plan. The fox said, I will bring some help. Saying this, even without waiting of an answer, he ran inside the forest. Then see children what happened. After running for some time, the fox found the camel. The camel was indeed surprised to see him. Hurry up, friend camel, said the camel. Our king wants you at once. Your king, said the camel. Who is that? I do not know any king. I only know my master for whom I carry goods across the desert. Our king, the lion, has killed your master, said the fox. Now you are free, and the lion has invited you to live at his court. Come along. Now here, what happened? After running some time, the fox found the camel. Not very far. The camel really surprised to see the fox. Then the fox addressed the camel, friend camel. How the fox addressed the friend camel? And he said, Our king wants to see you at once. Then the camel was surprised to hear that. And the camel asked the fox, Who is your king? I don't know any king. I only know my master for whom I am working. I carry goods across the desert for my master. So Here children, hearing this, the clever fox said to the camel, our king killed your master. You are free now. You can go anywhere. You come with me because our king invited to you to live at his court. So children, actually what happened here? The fox said a lie. What lie he said? Our king killed your master. Why he said like that? Because anyway the fox wanted to bring the camel to the lion king to save the lion. This was the purpose of telling lies. Okay. Then what happened afterwards? See, the camel followed the fox. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, the vulture and the leopard were surprised. Even the lion looked pleased. In spite of his burnt paws, the camel was presented to the king. He agreed to serve the lion in return for a home at his court. Get on the camel's back, your majesty, said the fox. We will return home. The lion at once jumped on the camel's back. His courtiers, the fox and the leopard, jumped up behind him, and with the vulture flying ahead a guide as they set off the long journey back to the forest. Now children, what happened over here? The poor camel believed the fox and followed the fox. When the fox and the camel reached the lion's camp, they were surprised to see the camel. Even the lion also looked very happy. Even though his paws were burned, he was very happy to see the fat camel. Okay. Then the camel agreed to serve the king. In return, the lion promised the camel a home at his court. So, the lion and the other two courtiers. Who are the other two courtiers? Yes, the fox and the leopard. These three animals jumped onto the camel's back and they set off the long journey back into the forest. And the vulture flew over them to guide the way back into the forest. Okay. Now children, let us discuss the question which is given at the left side of your textbook. The first question is given. Do you think the vulture was enjoying the search? Yes children. Yes, the vulture was enjoying the search because he felt he was the leader. Okay. Next one. Do you think the king's decision to go back was right? Yes children. Yes, the king's decision to go back to was right because he was getting uneasy and sick. Next question. Can you guess the plan that the fox had thought of? So what was the plan of the fox? The fox wanted to be only one in the king's favor because he was very selfish and smart. Also he was very cunning. Next question. Why does the fox address the camel as friend? Let us continue children. Why does the fox address the camel as friend? Because the reason was animals like camel, they frightened to see the forest or jungle animals like a fox. So the fox addressed him as friend camel in order to win the trust of the camel. Last question. What qualities of the courtiers emerge in this part of the story? What qualities we can see? So, they were very cunning. All the three courtiers were very cunning. Okay. So, you have to complete your assignment which I have given below in your CW book. Okay.